Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So if you guys are interested, you can find this product in my video description. So this is the TERRO Ant Killer. It's the liquid ant baits. Now I've been using these for years and years, and these are almost guaranteed to kill your ant problem. So with this pack you get 12 in a box. Because I love them so much, I always have backups, so we got 2. But I'm going to show you guys how it works. So basically, well, here, let's open it up and I'll show you guys what they look like. So this is it. So you would snap one off, and then what you would do is you would hold it up like this, right side up, and I'd tap down, get all the liquid to go down. And then you cut right along here. So you cut right here, and then what you do is you just simply set the tray down where there's ants. You can set them at the source where there's most at, or you can set them along the path, and the ants will then go inside, get the liquid, and some ants will just stay there and eat or drink or whatever they do with this, and other ants will go and then come in and go out and take it to their queen and take it to the ant colony. So the ants, the great thing is you won't see any dead ants, or it's highly unlikely that you're going to see dead ants. All the ants that are going to come, they're going to come here, eat and leave, or they're going to come pick up what they can and leave. And when they leave, they go back to their hive, not hive, but back to the colony, and then they all die. No ant mess anywhere. You know, you don't see hundreds of ants laying on your floor. So these get a 10 out of 10 all day long. I highly recommend them. Definitely, if you want to get rid of your ant problem, get these. Nothing has worked as good as these. Alright guys, stay tuned, you're about to see a video.